Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. What we're going to do in this video is this one's already working. It's already fixed, ready to go. I called the guy up, and what he wants us to do is, he has problem with lightning, I guess, where he's at, and it was, can you get wire up a fuse on that thing? I said, yeah, probably do that. I got to see where we can put a fuse at on this thing. I think what we're going to do is put a fuse right here and use one of these panel mount type of fuse holders, and I'm going to drill a hole somewhere up here. I think we'll be able to put it like somewhere right in there on the case there, because I can't really do it here. This thing sticks in too far. I mean, might be able to do it here, maybe right there. Well, I'll play with it. And I was going to put maybe 2 fuses on there if I could, but looking at it, there's already a fuse right here, and it's on the hot side of the power cord. On the neutral side, there's no fuse on it. I think it has some protection things right there, but we're going to wire up a fuse on here. We're going to probably unplug that wire and run some jumper wires to do it. But that's what we're going to try to do with this one. I'm going to see. I think it's going to be better to put it up here. And this thing mounts on the wall like this. I think. I don't know. I remember how this thing, maybe it mounts like that. I don't know. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to wire up, and we'll drill a hole somewhere in this case, and I'm going to wire up a fuse on there. I could put one in line on the thing, but I don't know if I've got any inline fuses in stock. So that's what we're going to do this one. I didn't make a video on this one. This one I've had fixed for about a week or so. I've been waiting on the guy to get back in touch with me. But he wants to put wants me to put a fuse on it. So that's what we're going to try to do. I'm going to see how much room I've got to play with here. I'll put it right there. I think it's being the best spot to put it at. So let me get my little bit here, and we're going to drill a hole. All right. Right about there. No, I didn't find any bolts. I didn't see any, no. This one thing is good to go. It's still running. We need to put that new LCD thing on there. The LCD. I'll find the LCD here for let's here somewhere. Okay. All right, so right about there. So I think we're going to be a little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. So now we're going to slide this in. Perfect. I think. Hopefully we can get this nut on. There we go. Let's hope I get the nut on there. Come on. Okay. All right. Now we're ready. So now we're going to take this white wire off. Get off there. And we're going to snip it off here. We're going to splice on a wire from here, solder it to there, and we're going to jump away from here over to there. And I think it's already got, you know, we've got a fuse in there, a 1 amp, 250 volt fuse. Come on, get on there. Oh, let's see. I don't need nothing fancy. Let's put a butt connector on there. Get a piece of wire. Doesn't matter what color it is on this wire. Crimp that there. A little long, so we have plenty to work with. I need the solder iron. Going to solder right there. And put some solder up here. And we're going to, I'm probably going to cut off some of this wire just because the copper wire is stranded, it's exposed. Probably cut off some of it because I think I got a little too much on there, or don't need as much. Now we'll, it's too darn hot to hold. All right, and then we'll take same thing. Oops, hold on. Come on. It's hard to, too darn hot to hold fingers. All right. Take that. It's going to be about that long. So it should go right about there. Should just be able to go like that. That one or two. We'll get it on there. All right, we just want to, should still fit on there. Hope. There it is. Still works. And still pulls together. I was afraid that maybe it's too high or something like that, but it looks like it's going to be fine. So now I'm going to plug it in. There she goes. That one's good. So this is just, I thought I'd show a video of this, of us putting a fuse on there and everything for a guy on his unit. So if you've got a you know, electric fence box needs worked on, you know, send it to us if you'd like. All of our information is down in the description area of the video. You can go to our websites, fencerfixer.com and Fencer and Fixer, both spelled with F as in Frank. And we also work on cattle scales and low bars, Gallagher and other ones as well. So, but until we do another video of how to work on one, or how to test one, we'll see you guys later on. But in the meantime, I'm going to put this back together and call it done.